Hi guys, and welcome to Unboxing News, the YouTube unboxing reviewing for technology. My name is Patrick Ago. Yes, I'm French and apologize for the English. Anyway, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. For YouTube, I'll post one video every week at the same time. Instagram, every day I'll post one picture about, for example, on Monday, I'll post everything related to desktop setup. I mean, like crazy lighting, the crazy gaming monitors, crazy gaming desktop, like lighting, the crazy stuff. On Tuesday, everything about phone and tablets. On Wednesday, desktop and laptop. On Thursday, everything related to home technology. Now on Friday, as of today, unbox news, unboxing and reviewing the latest technology. On Saturday, upcoming technology related to everything. Technology is everywhere. Ooh. Anyway, Sunday is fun day, everything related to fun and weird technology. It can be video or photos. Now, for the first video, as you can see in my hand, the Samsung A9, 4 cameras. I won't unbox anything. I will introduce the technology and leave it to this weird guy to unbox it. Now, you can see I already have it. The box is empty. I'll hide it in the BCAA lemonade blue, same as this one. Don't say anything to my twin, alright? Let's the unbox begin. Introducing my brother twin. Thank you. We can go now unbox Muse guy. Alright, enjoy your headphones. Thank you. Guys, let's start with the Samsung Galaxy A9. The first 4 camera. The infinity display. And we'll get back to this one. 128 GB of memory, extendable to 512 GB of memory. Right? Let's start with the lemonade blue. Unboxing. First thing, the unbox menu, warranty or anything, and then, man, the phone. I don't have it. Yes, you have it. All right, and the lemonade. You mean the shake? The shake, if you want. Yeah, thank you. All right, the phone. Come on. Now we'll get back to the phone. Now, please, if you can comment down below and explain what is this for. All right, now the fast charger, the USB Type-C and the jack headphones. All right, now as I was saying, it's crazy phone for me. The design is crazy, it's nice, it's so nice in your hand. There is 3 colors options. Man, can you stop? Okay, I'm just writing, it's fine. You're not writing, you're tapping like crazy. Alright guys, I was saying there's 3 colors, the black caviar, you have the bubble gum pink and the lemonade blue. Alright, what I love about the lemonade blue, you can see on the edge a dark blue on each side. I really love it, I'm enjoying it. Now, the fingerprint sensor, it's in the back. Now if you're working on a desktop, I don't think this is like practical. Take it and you open it. I don't really like it. If you have it on the phone, you take it and you play it. That's fine. Anyway, now the 4 camera in the back. The first one is an ultra wide 8 megapixel. The second one is a telephoto 10 megapixel. Oh my god. The third one is the main camera with 24. Man, time to go. Okay. Yeah, hope not. Anyway, the third one is 24 megapixel camera. Let's take a little bit on the side. The fourth one is a telephoto depth camera. All right. I think it's 5 megapixel. Great. Now I was talking about the infinity display. Let's move this one. Here. I was talking about the infinity display. Guys, if you look at it, alright, I don't think it's an infinity display. I think like it's better for the Note to be infinity display. The S series are infinity display. Samsung says it's from edge to edge. I don't see it. I don't believe it. That's not infinity display for me. Anyway, now the display is 2220 by 1080 Full HD plus. It's crazy. Super AMOLED screen. I was saying it's 128GB memory, extendable to 512GB memory. Mini SD. That's crazy, 512. At least. I mean, like 128 is already crazy. Now 512, it's like rock and roll. Guys, let's go into the camera. The camera, as you can see, you slide left, right to change the option and slide down for the selfie. Now, I mean like, you have a lot of options, food, panorama, pro, beauty, live focus, auto, and scene optimizer. Scene optimizer is something that I love. I mean like, you have 4 camera, okay? Imagine you have 4 professional camera or semi-professional camera in each hand and your foot anywhere. You have to switch from lens to lens to take like a beauty shot. If you have a flower, you have to change lens and change the options in the camera. Now with this phone, with Scene Optimizer, it detects the food, the animals, the portrait, I don't know, the flowers, the landscape. It detects and change the settings very fast. Now there is an option in this camera that I love. It's let's go to auto. Alright, I'll take a selfie. Now look, if I close my eyes or one of your friends close his eyes, look, it says, if you can read, make sure you can see everyone's face clearly. That's not what I wanted. But anyway, let's try again. I close my eyes and bam, doesn't work. Again, bam, check if anyone's face looked blurry in the last shot. It has a lot of options. That's fine for me if it doesn't work. It shows you blurry face, blurry surrounding, the face is not fully in the frame, but I want you to see that it can see your eyes are closed. Face last shot might be blurry. It doesn't detect my eyes shot. Alright, anyway guys, these options I love, make me love this phone because the price is like, I think it's $550, so it's affordable for all the options that you see on this phone. The price is very low. This phone can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second. Man, that's unbelievable. Now, guys, the sound is very important. Later on, in 2019, I believe the sound will be more optimized for phones. Alright, this phone has a Dolby Atmos. Alright, let's see. That's not very loud, but I mean like, that's fine. Alright, I don't feel Dolby Atmos. I mean, it depends on the YouTube, what you're watching, what the video you're watching. The sound can be better or less powerful. Now, in overall, this phone, I mean, for the price it has, it's very nice. It's not the bad, it's not infinity display. Leave it to N series, Note series, and S series on Samsung. Now for this phone, the display is crazy, the resolution is crazy, the video settings is crazy, and the photos are unbelievable. Alright, man, it's time to go to bed. Alright, bonne nuit. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next week, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and comment down below If you have any comment, positive or negative, just comment. Alright? See you next week. Peace.